In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit post content on Elementor. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open an existing blog post, edit the text and media using Elementor, tweak the styling, add new widgets, and then safely save your changes. First, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Posts. Hover your mouse over Posts and a few options will appear. Click on All Posts to see the full list of articles on your site. From this list, move your cursor over the post you want to edit. When you hover, several options will appear underneath the post title. Click on Edit. This opens the post in the standard WordPress editor. At the top of this editor, on the left side of the top bar, you'll see a button that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click that. WordPress will switch you over to the Elementor editor for that specific post. After a moment, your post will load inside Elementor. You should now see your post title and content displayed in the main preview area. Click directly on your post content, which is typically inside a text editor widget. Once you click it, Elementor will open the widget settings in the left sidebar. Under the Content tab, you'll see a large field where you can edit your text. Just above that field is a formatting toolbar that supports rich text, so you can add headings, bold or italic text, lists, links, and more. If you want to add images or other media inside this text area, click the Add Media button. This lets you choose files from your media library or upload new ones. You can also switch between the visual editor and the code editor. To see or edit the HTML behind your text, click the code option at the top of the toolbar. To return to the regular visual view, click Visual. In this same Content tab, you can enable a drop cap for the first letter of your text, and you can adjust the number of columns and the gaps between them if your layout supports that. For design tweaks like fonts, colors, and spacing, switch to the Style tab in the sidebar. Any more advanced options, such as motion effects, margins, padding, and responsive controls, will be found under the Advanced tab. If you want to add new widgets, such as images, buttons, or additional text blocks, click the plus icon at the top right of the Elementor panel. This opens the widget library, where you can drag and drop any widget into your layout. When you're happy with your changes, look to the top right corner of the Elementor interface. Click Update if the post is already live, or Publish if it's a new post. Wait for the confirmation that your changes are saved and you're done.